Hello and welcome to Orin-X videos. On this tutorial, we creating a responsive video player using HTML and CSS. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make your video player adapt to different screen sizes so that it looks great on any device. First, let's take a look at a basic, non-responsive video player. As you can see, the video player is fixed to a specific size and doesn't adjust to different screen sizes. As you can see, the video player now adjusts to different screen sizes and looks great on any device. That's it. With just a few lines of CSS, we've created a responsive video player. Thanks for watching, and be sure to try out this technique on your own website. Don't forget to check out other HTML and CSS related topics. Stay tuned for more tutorials. If you enjoyed our video, please leave a like, comment and subscribe to Orin-X. See you in the next video.